Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the new Scosche compact 10K mAh dual port power bank. And what's great is it has power delivery, 20 watts USB-C port. So that's this port right here, 20 watts out of here. That's almost enough power to completely start charging your MacBook Air, but it's great for your iPhone 14 Pro Max all the way down, and your other devices at USB-C like Android phones and the iPad Pro. So this is great because it has that power delivery and 20 watt USB-C. Then on this side you have a USB-A port, so you can charge pretty much anything else that you have. So 2 ports, and then here is the charge level. It has 5 LEDs right there, and as you can see it's got 3 out of the 5. So this just came and it's mostly charged and ready to go. In addition to the kit, you get 2 USB-C ends on this one cable, so it's a USB-C charging cable, perfect for your Android devices, your headphones, and whatever else you have. But this is from Scosche, and it's the compact 10,000 GoBat 10K 10,000 mAh power bank with power delivery at 20 watts. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.